Okay, so this 20-volt Dewalt cordless drill, very nice piece. I've had this drill probably for 6 or 8 months, drilled hundreds and hundreds of holes in it in my semi-truck when I put an interior in with it. Put a screwdriver bit in it for drilling Phillips holes. But it's very nice drill. It works really good. When you put these bits in too, don't just tighten them up by running them. Pulling them in by hand like this. If you ever notice they slip, they won't slip if you tighten them by hand like this. It's got 2 speeds, low, 2 is high. Got a light down here that lights up your work. Charger, extra battery. Very nice piece. Drill very good. There you go. Comes with this very nice carrying bag. You can put everything in. Your charger, your drill, your extra battery. Very nice piece. I highly recommend this drill. Works wonderfully. I've used it hundreds of times.